Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Like I said, I would be back to complete my build, and I have finally purchased all the parts. I think I purchased all the parts. I hope I am not missing anything. So here it is. Everything I needed for my build. Almost top of the line stuff. Not everything is, maybe everything is top of the line, I'm not sure. I was going to get a Blu-ray player, but I didn't think I needed it, since I do not think I will be watching Blu-rays from a 24-inch monitor when I have a 55 and 110-inch screen. So I just went with the DVD writer 24 times. Anyway, I'll go in a little closer and go over some of the items that I have purchased today and throughout the week or 2 weeks. First, let's start with the processor. Got myself an i5 4670K LGA 1150. Very good processor for gaming. I was going to get an i7, but I was told that it's not necessary for gaming. So I decided to get this processor, which should be good. Second, let's see, I got the, like I said, the DVD writer, Asus 24 times SATA. Second, I got the case, which is the Corsair Carbide 300R. I did a video on it a couple days ago with the window on the side. You could put 7 fans in this bad boy, either 140 or 120. Has 2 slots for USB 3, headphones, got an LED light and a power button here. So that should be interesting. I have the LED lights, I'll explain that to you there. I'll put those 2 here. 120s. You could put 140, but I got 120. They didn't have any 140s in stock. So I ended up going with the Corsair AF120s. It says low noise, high airflow. So hopefully that's true. So I got 3 of these. I got a 2-pack. Got the 2-pack and a 1-pack. I got 2 in the front and 1 in the back. LEDs. That should be fun. What else did I get? Let's go with this one. I got the dual 2-pack quiet ultra low noise high airflow 120s. That will be for my cooler, CPU cooler that will go on the top. Got the red, the one with the red, plastic ring inside for design, aesthetics look. And that's about it for that. I got the, they got these. I got the Dominator Platinum, the 2133 megahertz. I went to go get the 1866, but he brought out the, obviously, they always bring out the more expensive one. You could say no, but I said yes, I'll take it. And these are pretty cool. It says you could put an iconic heat spreader design with customizable light bar, upgrade kits available. So I guess you could put a light bar that goes on the top here. It goes on the top. I'll take them on the box in a little while, but you can put a light bar up here. And I don't know. So let me get the good ones. You only live once. So there you go. Dominator's Platinum. Should look good. So, okay, I also got, I made a video on this, the EVGA G4 GTX 780. I was going to do SLI with the GTX 760s, but I figured I'd go with I returned that and I got the 780 instead, super clocked. I guess I'll be good for a couple of years. And maybe I could always do SLI with these. So maybe I'll do SLI just because I can, you know, not because it's going to be better, but it will be a little bit better, but just want to do that, you know, because I can. And also, I got the motherboard, Maximus 6 motherboard. I heard this is going to be a really good motherboard. Republic of Gamers, ROG. Windows 8.1 ready. That's another story in itself. And I don't know. I didn't go with 8.1 this time. I was told that 8.1 Windows isn't good yet, and there's still some bugs in there with drivers. So I want getting another new Windows 7. I don't know if that's the right thing to do. You can leave your comments in, you know, on the bottom, but I was told that Windows 8, 8.1 is not, you know, it's not good yet. It's good, but it's more made for touchscreen, and I don't have a touchscreen. I don't have a tablet or whatever. So they told me to get this, the 7. And I asked a bunch of people in the store, and they said that it would be best to get the Windows 7. This one, you know, on the bottom here, it says here that it's Windows 8.1 ready. It has the drivers for Asus utilities for OS upgrade. I don't know. Maybe one day. Maybe when they come out with a new operating system or what. I don't know, but not right now. So it has the you know, Maximus formula, motherboard design for gamers, good design. It says $359 here, but I got it for $279 because I guess they give you a deal with a processor. So I believe it's called a bundle deal right here. Yeah. Also, I got the, you know, I told you, made a video. I got the CX750 power supply unit, which is great, modular. And on the bottom here, I got the good old Corsair H100i. I don't know. I was gonna go with the 80i, but I don't know. I just said, let me just go with the 100i. Yeah, get the 100i. More cooling power for my case. You know. So that's about it. Got that. I love this graphics card. I also got an anti-static wrist strap. Just make sure I don't mess up on anything. Also got a headlight. This is pretty cool. It's from Energizer headlight. Has 7 different lights on it. From red. This is cool. Then you got the this color. You have 2 lights. You got 5 lights going. Then you got the flashing lights. And it goes off, which is pretty cool. So what else? I got my tools, got my screwdrivers, got my mini screwdrivers, got my knife. I have my old hard drive I pulled out. I was gonna use the old hard drive rather than buying a new hard drive, which I didn't go over yet, which I also got here, like a new hard drive, 2 terabyte, Western Digital, Mainstream Classique, 2-year limited warranty. So that should be good. I hope it's good. We'll see. I got that. That costs like $79. So I got 2 Western Digitals. This 560, 650 hard drive, gigabyte hard drive, and I might have to transfer it over, or I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll just leave it as a second hard drive in my computer. But I don't really want this hard drive because I know I have like some malware on there I want to get rid of. So there you go. I don't know what else to say. So I'm gonna start the build now. Maybe I'll do some unboxing while I'm unboxing each one. I don't know if you guys want to see that. I'll just do it for my own record, for myself. You only live once, so make the best of it. I'm out. I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm out. Wish me luck. Peace.